Hi friends, this is Sonia here from Growing Craft, and I was just cleaning my stencil stacks and I just thought I should share this video with you all. So I've been working on lots of mixed media and decoupage projects, so I have a bunch of stencils which I need to clean, and the reason why I'm cleaning it at once because I've been making constant videos nowadays, and because of some of my traveling plans, and I actually was not getting time to clean up that. So one thing, after using my each stencil, I used to immediately dip it into a plate of water where the water was full, so that whatever the mediums I have used does not dry at all. And secondly, I'm going to clean it with a toothbrush, with a soft toothbrush, and I'll add some baby soap to it. So I have already done the sinking part, and I actually kept it for 4-5 hours in the soap water, and I'll just show you how I am going to do it. So this is the plate which I keep in my craft room whenever I'm doing any of my decoupage or mixed media projects, and specifically when I know that I have to use my stencils, and it is full of water. As you can see, I've added some liquid adhesive, liquid baby soap, and this is a toothbrush which I'm going to use. And I don't like using the old toothbrushes, so I always keep a new toothbrush which I use only for cleaning my stencils. And as you can see that the soap is really there, and I just wipe it on my stencils, and can you really see that everything is coming out. So this stencil was something which I was actually using for one of my mixed media layout, and the video will be out really soon. So can you really see the green color here? So this is how it becomes really simple. One thing, whenever you're doing your cleaning work, make sure you have one stencil in a plate at a time. So this is just, I have soaked it in my soap water. I am going to clean it one after another, and then I'm going to clean it in a tap water really nicely, and then I'll let it dry. So this was my quick tip on cleaning your stencils. If you want such more quick tips on your craft supplies or anything related to craft, please comment down below. I will try to post that videos as soon as possible. Of course, you are not supposed to switch on to another video before subscribing to my channel. Thank you. Bye bye.
À deux doigts de nos lèvres, deux doigts si fins que j'ai presque pu le goûter, le bonheur à sculpter de son ciseau d'orfèvre, des souvenirs impossibles à effacer. Le bonheur est passé à deux doigts de nos